day everyone. For today's video, I'm gonna show you what are the advantages and disadvantages of wins. So here are some advantages of wins. So first, dynamic name resolution, and the second, efficient network, and the third, integration with DHCP, and the fourth, improves large network. So first, dynamic name resolution. Wins automatically resolve need by use names of IP addresses, allowing dynamic registration and easier management of net network resources. So ang dynamic name resolution dahil kaya i-link niya ang human readable name sa IP address. So the second, efficient network traffic. By reducing the need for broadcast to resolve names, wins help decrease overall network traffic, making it more efficient. So ang efficient to traffic dahil kaya siguro niya ang pinakamataas sa performance sa network. So third, integration with DHCP. Wins integrates with DHCP dynamic host configuration protocol, providing a streamlined solution for dynamically assigned IP addresses and resolving name efficiently. So ang integration with HCP di kay gisiguro niya ang pag-manage sa IP address para madali niya makita ang mga pangan. So fourth, improve large network. In large network, is particularly beneficial because it scale better compared to static methods, especially in mixed environment with Windows system. So dagko na ang mga network, need po siya careful planning and manage to smoothly. So for disadvantages of Wins, first legacy technology. Wins is considered an update technology mentally replaced by DNS domain name system in modern network. It is primarily used in order system and not in newer environment. So ang legacy technology sa kabuuan habang ang legacy technology ay kadalasan malaga para sa ilang tungkulin ng mga organisasyon, maaari itong magdulot ng mga hamon na may kaugnayan sa kausayan, seguridad at innovasyon. So the second limited to Microsoft system. Wins is mostly useful in environment that rely heavily on Windows system, limiting its applicability in mixed or non-Windows network. So ang limited to Microsoft system, ang mga tools nito ay limitado sa platform ng Windows dahil sa proper design ng software at layuning magbigay ng isang unified ecosystem para sa personal at pagnegosyong paggamit. So third, complex management. Managing wins in large-scale network can become complex, especially with replication and ensuring names unique across servers. So ang complex management pagdibigit sa mga sitwasyon nga kanang dili pa ka-sure ug siguro po nila kutob sa makonek sa ilang system ilang matabangan kutob sa ilang makaya. So fourth, security risks. Wins lacks many of the advanced security features found in DNS, making it less secure and more prone to vulnerabilities in modern networking environment. So ang security risks ay mga posibleng banta na maaring makompromiso ang kaligtasan ng impormasyon, sistema o mga pisikal na ari-arian. So, ang security risks pagidi ay sa pagpasabot o pagmanage sa security risks, mas maprotektahan sa organization ang data at least na ma-maintain nila ang pagsalig toward sa ilang client and businesses partners. So if need mo specific na information, for example, just feel free to ask. So maarto ang disadvantages of wins. So ang first legacy technology and second limited to Microsoft system and the third conflicts manage and the fourth security risks. So in modern networking, DNS is often preferred over Wins due to its broader applicability and improved features. Ardo, thank you.